A very good morning to all of you. It's so nice to see all of you brighten up on a Tuesday morning here at Bharat Mandapam. I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces from yesterday, and that's extremely heartwarming. So when I left yesterday, I was buzzing with ideas. Of course, extremely caffeinated, but it was fun. And I hope you guys also learned a lot from yesterday. So we all know about what Viksit Bharat actually is, but what powers that vision? Is it big industries? Yes, of course, but also MSMEs. They are the backbone of our economy, the innovators, the job creators, and the heartbeat of our communities. Now, I want to ask you a question. You know, at awards shows, people plant trees. Do they really think that this is going to solve the problem of climate change? An answer, please. Pooja? Yes? So, see, don't get the wrong idea. I love trees. They give us shade, they give us oxygen, they also give us Instagrammable moments. But that does not solve the issue. Let's be honest, real sustainability is way more than just a photo op. It's about a systemic change. That's where our MSMEs come in. Now, here I'm going to share some data with you. The meat of the matter is that MSMEs account for 45% of our total manufacturing output. This is not just a number. This is a lot of work that's gone in the country. Hence, the need to make this a sustainable focus is the need of the hour. So what is C-Cube? You know, when we're aligned with net neutrality goals and climate regulations, but we are not just a hub of policymakers and industry experts. We also collaborate with masterclasses, with sustainable guides, and also recognize MSMEs for sustainable innovations. Rome was not built in a day. All of us know that. You know, it took us a long time to create this website wherein we share focused content daily. We've been doing sectoral reports, not only just to highlight the issues, but to focus on solutions that mitigate this issue as well. My favorite one is on green financing that you see on the left. It talks about our own desi carbon market that plays a transformative role in the global carbon market. You guys must read it. It's all there in the magazines that we've placed on the round tables. You know, yesterday Neeraj launched a video, our editor. He launched a video which all of you just saw this morning. I was shell-shocked when I saw that video, which talks about our own backyard, the Raghuveer Nagar market. I didn't even know that something like this existed. The mere fact that we are creating this unique content is exemplary. You must follow us on our social media handles, the kind of videos that we are creating, the kind of unique case studies that we are highlighting is all about this. This video that we had launched yesterday is about thrifting. It's been a part of our Indian culture since centuries. You know, the Bada Bhai and the Chota Bhai would wear the clothes of the Bada Bhai, or likewise. But that concept is now gone. We want to bring it back. It's become a westernized concept all of a sudden. But the mere fact is that we have to go back to our roots, and that's where sustainability has been a part of our culture since centuries. Everybody here at this event, we are not just, even in this event that we have here today, we're not just bringing in the big daddies to talk about the kind of work that they're doing or brag about themselves. What we are also doing is providing solutions. We had 4 master classes yesterday. And if you want to know about carbon accounting or leveraging technology for sustainable future, that was the place to be. It was fully jam-packed downstairs. Each and every person, in fact, there were people standing there to try to understand what was happening. That was heartwarming. And that's when we realized that this is the need of the hour. I urge each one of you to read our magazines, to follow our content, because I'm sure you will grow with us while we are learning from you. Stay glued to your seats today. It's a power-packed day. We have our winners that we have identified through a grueling process. We're going to have very interesting conversations with celebrities. Please be on board, stay glued, and have a great day. Thank you all.